A peep into the markets beginning 26th July 2021. Rising prices is inflation to the common man. To the economist, price is only an effect. It is the volume of money that is chasing goods that is inflation to him. Both theories appear to be true based on Friday's RBI data. A closer look at the WSS statement shows that since March 31st, there has been a rise in M3 by 5 lakh crores, and a significant contribution has been bank credit to government going up by 2 lakh crores. Surprisingly, RBI credit to government has been static. The rise in prices and its manifestation of higher interest rates was seen in the auction of 14,000 crores of the newly issued benchmark bond by the RBI. Even with 80% devolvement on primary dealers, RBI had to give in a higher yield of 6.15%. The 3-year IRS has remained marginally soft at 4.67%. The Indian rupee has traded slightly firm during the week and on Friday closed at 74.40 against the dollar. With UAE attempting to muscle or flex its muscles on Saudi Arabia, the petroleum prices immediately retraced, and so also the 10-year US Treasury yield to below 1.30. However, towards Friday, both have come back to $73 per barrel and 1.30%. Gold has wobbled a bit, and on Friday morning trades was seen at $1,800, about $25 lower from last week's level. With hardly any change in the forex reserves week over week, remaining same at $612 billion, 74.50 would appear as the anchor rate for dollar rupee trades next week. The stock markets have displayed a smart recovery on Thursday and Friday, though FIIs have remained net sellers for 12,368 crores during the month so far. With the expiry of the derivatives contracts next Thursday, the VIX traded soft at 11.76. The higher delinquency in gold loans and two-wheeler loans have pushed many aggressive lenders to be cautious, and some of them have lowered the loan-to-value ratios too. One automobile stock, Hero Motors, at 2,835, appears to be caught in a bearish engulfing. The Reserve Bank granting permission to IDFC Limited to exit from IDFC First Bank as promoter saw some price spurt in this stock. Let us wait and see if a reverse merger with the bank will happen. of IDFC Limited. Have an interesting week ahead.